Hi, I'm Meg from the Gro Company. I'd like to show you our Grow to Bed. The Grow to Bed is a unique bedding set where the duvet zips onto the bed. It is designed to make your toddler's transition to a big bed easier. The Grow to Bed is brilliant because it can help prevent your toddler from falling out of bed and stops them from kicking off and losing their duvet. The Grow to Bed comes in cot bed or single size. The packaging includes a zip-on duvet cover, an integrated pillowcase and a fitted bottom sheet, all made of 100% cotton. Let me show you how it works. Firstly, slip the bottom sheet onto the mattress. The elastic strap stops the sheet moving about or coming off, which is important for little wrigglers. Next, slip a pillow into the integrated pillowcase. Having the pillowcase attached to the sheet stops the pillow getting lost and also means your child's head can't end up under the pillow. Last, put your duvet on. The duvet and the bottom sheet have zips on each side, so you can zip the duvet onto the sheet. This holds it in place. There's plenty of room for your little one to wriggle about, but the zips will stop them falling out and going bump in the night. The zips go part way down the length of the duvet cover, so you don't need to worry about them getting trapped if they wriggle down under the duvet. The Grow to Bed works with any suitably sized duvet, but you can also buy a Grow duvet, which has poppers which attach it securely inside the duvet cover. The Grow duvet is available in 4-tog and 8-tog. We know that life with toddlers can be messy, so spare sheet and pillowcase sets are also available. The Gro Company are the experts in all things sleep, so when you come to make the tricky transition from Grobag to duvet or from cot to big bed, let us make it easier with the Grow to Bed.